The goal today is to go up the hill that defeated me last time. And to get there, we go over the big hill. We're gonna pace ourselves up this one simply because a worse one comes. Okay, we're in the red section, which is that first little kick up. I don't even know what the percentage is. What was that? 10.2. We got a significant amount of hill to go, but it gets a little easier. Right here we just dropped it 2 gears, made it a little harder to pedal, so we go a little faster. I also have the racks on and both water bottles filled, just to get used to climbing with weight again. Do this a few more times. Be ready for anything. We're gonna go left and go up a very, very steep hill. I think it averages like 16% over it. It starts right when you cross the brook and goes up and up and up. We'll give it a shot right now, as soon as we beat this one. And yeah, you can't beat a hill, because the hill can beat you. Basically, if I gotta put a foot down, the hill beat me. Be it the rest, whatever. Lose my balance because it's too steep, hill beat me. We are about to lose all that elevation we just gained quite shortly, and then gain it back again even more quickly. There's an H100. Why? You guys also got a cannon in his yard. I don't know what's going on there or what that is, but it seems like a party. That's his house. Nobody's behind us. We're just gonna coast down here. I know there's gonna be a stop sign at the end, so we're not gonna take it too fast. Indeed, there is a stop sign at the steepest section. And we just continue right across to Davis Hill. This segment starts like right here, goes to the top. All you can hear is my brakes pinging and popping. I actually really like these brakes. Snail brand. Yep, we are in the lowest gear. Confirmed already. Not going for a record, we're just trying to make it up. All right, 12% I already seen. Why did I do this? We're gonna go all the way up. I can feel it. I'm not burnt out. I'm not going super fast. Only 3.5 miles an hour, but I can sustain this. That's why I stopped. Wow, that's disheartening. See it get even steeper for a bit. We'll make it to the top. Yeah. Oh, I had hopes of a third climb, and this has dashed it entirely. Hot damn. I'm not even gonna get out on the bar ends because I'm so tired. I want maximum control and brakes because the ground is wet in spots and I may not be on it. 8:21 up that hill. That's probably a PR. I don't know. I'll find out after. Nobody behind me. Put the neck down so it flows through the jerseys. Really, it's a cotton t-shirt, a thin one, and then a moisture wicking shirt over it. I should have done it the other way around, obviously. But my 2000s adolescence teaches me that long sleeves goes under short sleeves no matter what. Yeah, I could have flown down this hill, but you just never know. Oh, it feels great though. Really cooling off after cooking up that hill. Oh yeah. Look at them horses. They got barrel racing set up here. That's kind of cool. Smells like horses. I don't actually mind the smell of horses or cows, really. Like, both are fine. Still no one behind me. This is a great downhill. It's like a -5% for quite some time. Good hill, almost worth going up Daniel Hill for. I'm breaking the speed limit. Going 38 miles an hour. Acceptable hidden driveway, also hidden stop sign, I believe. Yeah. Indeed, hidden stop sign. Den de Vie. Okay, you heard it here first. The Den de Vie. Up here is the one that's going to be like, ha ha ha, quite difficult. Look at that Bronco off-roading. We're gonna go straight up. 15.8. Oh shit, we did that mostly in second gear. Now I'm in my lowest. It smells really good right here. I'm guessing all these flowers. It smells very good, in fact. Yeah, I remember when I first moved up here, I was like, why do they only ever sell wet chain lubes? Like wet weather chain lubes. And I want the dry. It lasts so much longer. And now I see. It's wet all the time in Pennsylvania. It's just a damp place. Home free. This one, I will get on the drops. I know this hill. I can see the end of it basically right here. It's nice and smooth. Not pedaling, and I got 28 point something. Could have probably hit 30 if I would have tucked in more sooner.